Let's create a PS1 style TV in Blender. Make sure to watch till the end of the video so you don't miss any step. Firstly, you will need these free softwares to work faster. They are completely free and all the links are in the description. Then search and download free retro TV images from multiple angles. Now open Shoebox after its installation. Drag and drop the TV image into the texture ripper. You can now zoom in and click on the four corners of the TV's side face, and it will be scaled correctly to fix the perspective. Do the same for the back of the TV to get a straight image of the back. Repeat the same process for any part which is not straight. Then, you can click on Save Textures to save the texture for later. Now open Paint.net and create a new canvas of 256 by 256, because PS1 style objects have a low resolution. Then, drag and drop the saved texture into the canvas. Open it, copy all and paste to the low resolution canvas. Scale it down to fit into the canvas, and press Shift while scaling to keep the proportion. Create a new layer and add a front face of the TV. Open it, copy all, and paste to the low-resolution canvas. Then scale it down to fit where there is an empty space. Click on Image and Flatten to mix these layers. Then click on Effects, Color, Quantize. Now, reduce the color value and the dithering level until you get this PS1 style texture. Click on OK and then save this final image for later. Now in Blender, go to Front View, then drag and drop the image into Blender. Send it to the back to use as reference image, and then add a plane. Rotate it, and then, in edit mode, select edges and move them to match the shape of the TV. Then remove the reference image and extrude this face backwards. Insert, then move backwards and down too. Next, move to the Shading tab and add a new material. Call it whatever you want. Drag and drop the texture, then connect it to the base color. Now switch to UV editing. Press Z and select Material Preview. Select this face, go to Front View, press U and project from View. Now move this UV to fit the front of the TV. Invert the selection with Ctrl-I, press U and Smart UV Project. Now select the side face and scale it to fit the texture. These other faces are already nice, so select the back face and reposition it on the corresponding area. Also, reposition the top face and scale it to fit the top of the TV. Next, switch to the Shading tab. Add a color attribute and also add the color attribute node. Then connect the image to a mix node and add the color attribute to it. Connect to the base color and change this from mix to multiply. Increase the factor until the object is almost completely dark. Then, select Vertex Paint with a white color and paint over the top of the TV. This is how PS1 style objects are shaded. That's it, a simple PS1 style TV. Make sure to subscribe for more videos and see you next time.